Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear wheel hub on an '03 Nissan Altima. I think this same application applies for Nissan Maximas. First thing we're going to do is get the tire off, and then we're going to take off this caliper here. Caliper has two bolts, one here and one right there. So take these off, that'll release this, and then the housing for the caliper has two bolts also. This big one here, and then there's another one down on the other side. Be careful of your brake line. What we're going to do is we're going to set this up here so we don't mess up that brake line there. That bolt is a 19 millimeter. The caliper is 14 millimeter. I want to show you real quick. This back one, it's going to hit this right here. I'll show you how to get that off in a moment. The top one, this comes right out, and then this will fold down. But before we do that, we're going to take a pair of pliers, stick it right in there, and kind of pry that piston back a little bit. So this way, that way this moves a little more freely. So now what we're going to do is take off these two bolts here. This one here and that one here. And that is a size 19 millimeter. If your 19 millimeter doesn't work, a 3/4 wheel gets this one off right here, since you have this bar in the way. And this whole assembly slides off, back right there, out of the way. Next, you want to get this wheel hub off, which is kind of rusted on there a little bit, so I'll show you a really easy trick to getting that off.